and see how I'm going to solve this nice logarithmic equation. Our task is to find that this is this, that we are asked to show that this one is this one. So given that x squared plus y squared equals 5xy, show that 2 log into bracket x plus y all divided by the square root of 7 equals log x plus log y. All right, this is what we are going to do. First of all, we know that if x is multiplying a log, the x here can return back as a power. So these two here can return back. So we have the log of x plus y all divided by the square root of 7 all squared. Now from here, we know that if we have from indices different factors in bracket raised to a certain power, the power can be distributed. So if here is to power k, the power can be distributed as a to power k all over b to power k. All right, so clearly from here, this power here can be distributed. If we distribute this power, we have that this is just the log of x plus y all squared all over the square root of 7 all squared. That's the first step. So from here, this implies that we know that if we have from this property, this algebra property, if we have x plus y all squared, this equals x squared plus y squared plus 2xy, right? From this algebra property. So clearly, wherever we see x squared, x plus y all squared, we put the whole of this in this expression. So this implies that log x plus y all squared, we put this. So this is x squared plus 2xy. X squared plus y squared plus 2xy all divided by, this can cancel out this, and we have just 7. All right, that's the first step. But clearly, what can we see? We have that log. Our x squared plus y squared was given as what? 5xy. So this is 5xy plus 2xy all divided by what? 7. All right, so from here, this implies that we have log 5xy plus 2xy gives us what? 7xy all divided by 7. So clearly 7 here can cancel out 7, and we have log xy. All right, do you see the answer waiting for you over here? So this is what we are going to do. All right, remember this property. Since we are multiplying, we can expand it as addition. So log xy is still the same as saying log x plus log y, and this is the right proof of this nice logarithmic equation. Easily. A lot of teachers don't know how to solve this logarithmic equation. All right, the first thing you need to know, the first trick I'm going to show you is the difference of two squares trick. All right, let's go. The first trick is this: x minus y all squared, or you can call it the power squared, the power rule. X minus y all squared. So if we expand it, now this is what? X squared plus y squared plus what? Or minus 2x what? Minus 2xy. This is the first trick. And after watching this video, don't leave. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I need you, please. All right, so from here, we have to take the square root of both sides. If we take the square root of both sides, we'll find out that x minus y all squared, we take the square root of this side and also take the square root of this side, so we can get rid of this square root here. X squared y squared minus 2xy. So this square root here can cancel out this square roots. And what do we have? X minus y equals the square root of x squared plus y squared minus 2xy. All right, this is the first trick that will help you to solve this problem easily. Now let's go. From here, wherever we see x minus y, we have to put this expression. So from here, we say this is log x minus y. We have to put this expression, the square root of x squared plus y squared minus 2xy, all divided by the square root of 3. The square root of 3. All right, let's go. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and leave a comment, like this video, and you won't lose anything. All right, so let's go from here. But we are giving x squared plus y squared to be what? x squared plus y squared will be 5x. So we have to substitute 5x inside this place. So from here, we know that this is just x squared y squared. So here is this 5xy minus 2xy, all divided by the square root of 3. Square root of 3. Okay, this is working awfully nice. All right, so from here, clearly what do we see? We see that this is log into bracket 5x minus 2x gives us 3x. So this is 3 what? Remember, this is a square root. This has a square root on top. So this is the square root of 3xy, because 5x minus that gives us 3x, and the square root of 3. All right, so clearly from here, what are we doing next? We can clearly see that from here that this from sort, we know if we have the square root of a all over the square root of b, this can also be written as the square root of a all over b. All right, so from here we can say this is log into bracket the square root of 3xy all divided by 3. All right, so therefore log 3 can cancel out 3, and what happened? We have the square root of xy. All right, I hope you can see the answer waiting for you. All right, so let's proceed. From here, we know that this thing is also called the square root. This is square root. It can also be written like this, 1 over 2. So from here, am I free to say this is xy all to power 1 over 2? So from this law, so when the log is raised to a power, the law states that when the log is raised to a power, the power can be used to multiply the log itself. So this x here can come back and become a multiplier. So the same way this 2 comes back and become a multiplier. So this implies that 1 all over 2 log xy. All right, so from here, clearly, we can see that this is just 1 all over 2 into bracket. We can expand this, since we are multiplying, we can expand this in log x plus log y. And this is the right answer. Thanks for watching this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel. And another thing you need to remember, mathematics is not a spectator sport. No pain, no gain. You need to do something with your hand. You solve with your hands. See you in the next video. There are more videos for you to watch, and go and watch them, and also comment, follow this channel, and you won't lose anything. Thanks.